So this is the most genius way to make $10,000 per month in 2023, hell, in 2024, 2025, 2026, forever.
It's called SaaS, Software as a Service. This is where you get a kick-ass software like this, pre-made, pre-built, no team, no coding, no engineer. Have your logo on it, have your name on it, and charging people $197, $297, and $497 a month for it. And how can I charge people this much? Well, I'm glad you asked. There are hundreds of website templates from here for any industry you can see here. And with this software, under reporting here, you can see all of the activity from a Facebook ad campaign that we run. Example, for this client, we spent $11,000 and we get him $18 per lead in terms of real estate agent lead. And we got his pipeline looking like this. For example, this lead here is thinking of selling his house tomorrow. And how we doing that is by working less. We build a simple automation is that when the lead come in, they get SMS, wait, and SMS, wait. Oh, and real estate agent pay a lot of money for this. I make an absolutely free course on how to set up this business model from scratch and get your first 10 clients in 30 days. Make sure that you comment the number 2 below so I can give you access to this course straight away.